Is the world still 51% women?
I think so.
Tell that to China.
Okay, I will.
Yeah,
Can you get them on the phone for me?
China has like a shortage.
Yeah,
of
yeah,
women.
you're here. I'm gonna call
a massive shortage.
China.
Okay.
Ring, ring.
Ring.
Hello.
Oh no.
Oh no! Claire, hang up! Hang up! Hang up! Hang up! Hang up!
Okay.
Why did they call me?
Hang up! Hang up!
Why they call me?
No.
Now the line is still open.
Please.
Wait.
Hey, Chang, we gotta get this line fixed because it's still open.
Excuse
How
me.
do we hang up this phone?
No, let's talk to her.
Am I on speakerphone?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm a big boy.
Sir,
Yes.
we are calling from the United States.
Of America?
That's correct.
Welcome.
I'm curious. We're calling China right now, yeah?
Yeah.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Shra Sheng Tsui.
Okay.
You spell it with a wingding.
Oh, we know the wingding.
But that's how you get to secret internet, so...
Why did you answer the phone in English? That's what I'm curious about.
Yeah.
Because English is so hip and cool.
Okay. Please, we have to hang up.
No.
I need to.
That's why you call?
I need to ask. No, I was
Come
actually.
on, don't waste my time. Don't
Hey.
be an asshole.
What do you guys think of like female babies there?
We like them now, but before, because you were only allowed to have one. So you want your family? Never with a female. So you throw them in a river or whatever.
But you need females to make babies.
You throw them in the river?
or whatever. Man, relax. It's China, baby. You sound sexy.
Oh wait, Camille, you have a fan.
Don't worry. I'm straight okay.
What? All right. Hang up on this guy.
Oh, boy.
Hang up on this big boy. All right, click.
Click.
All right. Whew, boy, that was fascinating.
That was great. Sorry, I stepped out to the bathroom. What did I miss?
Joseph Gordon-Levitt. Yeah, he's great. Yeah, he's very funny on the show.
He's a nice guy.
Yeah,
Handsome
he's
and
great.
cute.
Yeah, he's awesome. And
Handsome and cute, knows how to dance.
yeah, knows how to do everything.
We should find out what China thinks of Joseph Gordon-Levitt.
Yeah, let's call him up.
Hello. Why you call me again?
Wait, you know who this? Oh, caller
Yeah,
ID.
caller ID. We're not. This not old China. This new China. We have older technology.
Hey! What do you think of Joseph Gordon-Levitt?
Oh, he's song and dance man. Do everything. Inception.
Okay, we don't want his resume. What do you think of him?
Oh, I like him. Never met him.
Okay, I met him.
Oh, what's he like?
It's great.
Okay.
Okay, click. Good call.
Hey, we gotta get this phone fixed now. The line is open again.
God damn it.
Why do we always have it open?
Click, I say. Click.
Click, I say to you too.
Click.
Click. Okay. I hang up on my end. Okay.
All right, you hang up.
1, 2, 3.
Click.
No, 1, 2, 3.
No.
If it don't happen at the same time,
Okay, here we
we
go.
never hang up. We'll
All
be
right,
in a
ready?
loop forever.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Click. Why you do 4?
I don't know.
Oh,
I don't
you
know
try to
what
trick me. You try to trick me.
No. Okay, what is it? Click on 3 or click on after 3?
1, 2, 3, click. That's
Okay,
how it
here we
always goes. You don't know. You don't watch Lethal Weapon.
Okay, sorry. Here we go.
Danny Glover.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, click.
Why you do so fast? Oh my God! You're so fat and stupid.
How do you know?
I bet you don't go do. Your school is so ashamed of you. They have your photo up on the wall to say, look how fat and ugly Scott Ackerman is.
Well, how do you know who I am?
Cause I know everything.
Oh, caller ID. God
Yeah.
damn. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, click.